Cheers.
My poolside iced tea.
Here we are. All right.
Hi,
Hi. Someone's awake from their nap.
It wasn't a very long nap.
Where's the zebra?
Right there in the tree.
What?
Straight
How is a
ahead.
zebra
Two
in the
zebras.
tree?
2 zebras right there. You don't see those guys?
I do. I see it now.
We're in our home room.
Woo! Give a little Reinhardt room tour right here. Lovely brown cabinet.
Going to Brown Town.
To accent this
There's the
beautiful brown tile with a off tan beige color carpet
closet.
with matching brown tile backsplash. Oh, so cute. Was that a knock?
That was a closet.
Full length mirror. With your brown sinks. Brown mirror.
Brown.
Oh, brown tissue box. And a plethora of beiges and browns with the only splash of color. Aww. Best part about it though is they still gave us the full fridge freezer combo. Oh, and a full coffee pot. Bless you.
Come here. What's wrong?
You know, you always picture these moments of like when you take your kid somewhere finally and you think it's going to be like this magical moment and you get there and they just full-blown meltdown happening. So this is the 5th floor
Zebra.
of Jambo.
See the zebras?
So since we're the 5th floor, I believe this is like an extended out balcony, right? It's a little
I think so.
bigger than the ones below us. Hi. What do you think of this?
And his head is too big to fit.
Yes.
It's perfect. Yeah, so we can put the pack and play out here.
I know. So our room is not an adjoining room. We have one of the closets.
It isn't.
Oh, it is. Okay, so we might have to put the pack and play. I don't know if it's going to fit right there. That way when he cries, our neighbors will wake up. Or kind of put the pack and play here to kind of give him his own space. I don't know. We'll have to play around with this. 2 USBs. two outlets here. Ah, some brown artwork accented with a lovely beige and cream. And more brown
Stop.
curtains.
Oh, cut it out. You're being rude.
It's authentic, dear.
Ooh, I like this chair. The main lobby is over here. There's a giraffe right there. Boop.